In this video, you'll learn how to leave seller feedback on eBay. This process is essential for contributing to the community and ensuring that sellers maintain high standards. By providing feedback, you help other buyers make informed decisions based on your experience. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the top of the page and locate the option labeled My eBay. Hover over this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Purchase History to access a list of items you have recently bought. In the Purchase History section, find the specific item for which you want to leave feedback. Each item will have several options next to it. Look for a link that says Leave Feedback and click on it. This action will direct you to the feedback submission page where you can evaluate the seller's performance. On the feedback page, you will see options to select positive, neutral, or negative feedback based on your experience. Choose the option that best reflects your satisfaction with the transaction. After making your selection, there will be a text box where you can write a short, descriptive comment, include details such as shipping speed, product quality, and how responsive the seller was to your inquiries. Ensure that your comment is honest and constructive, avoiding any offensive language. This feedback provides valuable insights for future buyers and helps to foster a trustworthy marketplace. Once you have completed your comment, look for the button that says Submit and click it to send your feedback. After submitting your feedback, take a moment to verify that it appears correctly in your purchase history. You may need to refresh the page to see the updated information. It is also advisable to monitor for any follow-up messages from the seller should they reach out to you regarding your feedback. Keeping records of the feedback you provide can be helpful for your own reference in future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.